Let's go right to the point on how to install Git. Open your web browser and go to the official Git website, gitscm.com. Click on the download for Windows. Wait for the download to finish, then double-click the installer file. Launch the installer and follow the prompts. Click Next and configure the settings as needed, or leave them as default. Follow my steps carefully. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Verify the installation by opening a terminal or command prompt and typing git-version. So as you can see, Git is now installed and ready.